Now we're going to go over some essential resources that may be helpful when designing this professional development plan and supporting the teachers. The first one is going to be adding additional curriculum materials and supports. We will ensure that these supplemental materials align with the state standards and the core curriculum. We're also going to make sure that teachers are trained properly on how to integrate these additional materials into their lesson plans and curriculums that they may have. A lot of people already have their unit plan, so we just want to make sure we're adding to it as opposed from taking away or modifying too much. We also are going to monitor how students are doing based on classroom observations, teacher feedback, and teacher team feedback, because it's important to hear what they think as a whole.